Welcome back to Lesson 2, How to Write a Resume That Gets Noticed, Resume Writing Tips. Imagine this, your resume disappears into the ATS black hole because you missed one key detail. I'll show you exactly how to write a resume that gets noticed so you never go unseen again. Section 1, Appearance of a Resume. A clean, organized, professional layout combined with resume writing tips makes your resume noticeable, human-readable, and recruiter-friendly. When a recruiter spends just 6 seconds glancing at your resume, that first look must grab them. Pause and think, when was the last time your resume stood out at a glance? It's not just about listing jobs. It's about structuring your story. Section 2. Choose a clean layout, resume structure. Start with the basics, your name and contact info right at the top. Then add a short, punchy summary or objective. Use keywords like resume that stands out. From there, keep it simple with standard headings like experience, education, skills. Avoid the clutter. No tables, no fancy fonts, no multi-column layouts. A clean design means both the ATS and human eyes can read your resume without effort. Section 3. Focus on relevant content plus keywords. Here's where most people miss out. Every job posting is basically a cheat sheet. It tells you exactly what skills and keywords they care about. Your job is to mirror that language in your own resume. Pull up a recent job ad and highlight 3 skills they repeated. Those are your keywords. When you weave those naturally into your bullet points and summary, you're not only passing the ATS filter, you're speaking the employer's language. Section 4. Use action-oriented language. Boring resumes kill opportunities. Give your energy by using strong verbs. Led, developed, implemented. For example, don't just say responsible for managing team. Say, led a 5-member team to increase productivity by 20%. That single tweak makes your accomplishment clear, measurable, and powerful. Section 5. Quantify your impact. Numbers stop recruiters in their tracks. Instead of vague statements, give proof. Increase sales by 30%, reduce processing time by 2 days, or trained and onboarded 10+ new staff. Numbers don't lie. They add weight and credibility. Section 6. Keep it tailored and honest. No 2 jobs are the same, so no 2 resumes should be either. Tailor each version, adjust titles, keywords, and skills so they reflect the posting. Pause and think. If you applied for a job today, does your resume actually use their exact wording? And one more thing, always be honest. Hiring managers and ATS systems can spot keyword stuffing or exaggerations from a mile away. Section 7. Quick checklist before sending. Before you hit send, make sure you've got a clean layout with clear headings, a tailored summary or objective with the right keywords, action verbs and quantified results, keywords placed naturally, not stuffed, an ATS-friendly format with no graphics or tables. Conclusion. You've just taken the first real step toward creating a resume that doesn't just get read, it gets results. Apply these tips today, clean up your layout, and write with purpose. Stay confident, keep improving, and watch how your job search begins to transform. Reminder, you've just finished Lesson 2, How to Write a Resume That Gets Noticed. In Lesson 3, we'll dive into resume and CV formatting for ATS, templates, fonts, and layouts that actually work. You won't want to miss it. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in Lesson number 3.